Good morning. This is Master B here with today's morning recap. This morning it was a little technical difficulties with the platform. They had some power issues, and if your platform was acting kind of screwy, it was a technical issue on the company's behalf. But anyway. According to our strategy of the 60, 15, 5-minute prep work, I had if you followed prep work, you was again nice and green. I had a floor here and a ceiling on the 60-minute chart, dropped down to the 15-minute chart and started looking for a supply and demand zone. Going into the New York session, she created a supply zone, went down there and seeked out the 15-minute demand zone and could not break below. And if you guys is following the rules, we had all green indicating a north bias or a buy bias once the next 15-minute candle came in. But if you're on a 5-minute chart, you should have seen how the floor was respected, or that 15-minute demand zone right here was respected. It also had a 5-minute demand zone, which is called confluence, when you have two different time frames responding in the same area. So approximately at 10:15, we had a reversal pattern here. Okay, she could not close the bottom of the 15-minute demand zone, and when you went green about 10:30, you went green on the close of this bar, and you took her back up to, that was the 1-hour ceiling. So this move here to the ceiling would have netted you $86 on the 50-cent market. Okay? But you had to be a little patient this morning, wait till she got back into the 15-minute demand zone, see what she did at that zone, what kind of response. We had a doji here, and you guys know on the doji, we're looking for a close above the doji or a close beneath the doji to give us a market direction or a continuation. Okay, so from this floor, we got a impulse. Okay, now that doji represents a pullback. She pulled back, and you guys know what side we enter on. This was a continuation side right here. That would have been an entry, and take her up until she hits the ceiling, which would have netted you either $86 or $150.50. Okay? Wash, rinse, and repeat, guys. The same thing is done every day. This is Master B out with today's recap for 11/2/23 on the NASDAQ Micros. Peace.